హైదరాబాద్ శిల్పారామంలోని ఎథ్నిక్ హాల్లో సుచేత ఆర్ట్ అండ్ క్రాఫ్ట్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో బియాండ్ ది కలర్ పేరుతో 2వ వార్షిక ఆర్ట్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ను ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. జూన్ 27, 28 తేదీల్లో జరిగిన ఈ ప్రదర్శనకు తెలుగు భాష సాంస్కృతిక శాఖ డైరెక్టర్ డాక్టర్ ఏనుగు నరసింహారెడ్డి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరయ్యారు. రంగుకు ఆవల తరతరాల భావ ప్రకటన ప్రదర్శన అనే భావనతో నిర్వహించిన ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ లో వివిధ వయసుల కళాకారులు రూపొందించిన చిత్రాలు, కళాఖండాలు సందర్శకులను విశేషంగా ఆకట్టుకున్నాయి. రంగులు, భావోద్వేగాలు, ఊహాశక్తి కలయికతో రూపొందించిన కళాకృతులు ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని ఆలోచింపజేశాయి. 1997లో కళాకారిణి, విద్యావేత్త సుచేత దాస్దే స్థాపించిన సుచేత ఆర్ట్ అండ్ క్రాఫ్ట్ సంస్థ వేలాది మంది విద్యార్థులకు కళా విద్యను అందిస్తూ సృజనాత్మకతను పెంపొందిస్తోంది.
నాయోజితం ప్రియం గృహాణ మంగళం దీపం త్రైలోక్యసువిరామహం దేవాయ పరమాత్మనే త్రాహి మాం నరకాఘోర దివ్య జ్యోతిర్నమోస్తుతే శుభం కరోతి కళ్యాణ దీపం జ్యోతి నమోస్తుతే.
Let us give a huge round of applause for all of them. I request the dignitaries to once again a very warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you. Harihi Om Uttishtantu Bhuta Vishama Virodhena Brahma Karma Samarabhe Agamatham Tu Daivanam Bhavanatham Tu Rakshasam.
I guess we can take this stand. Here.
Sucheta Art and Craft Exhibition.
My name is Sunishka.
Where are you organizing this art exhibition?
Actually, this art exhibition is under Sucheta Art and Craft, which is taken care by my wife, Sucheta. And this is organized inside Shilparaman. There is a hall called Ethnic Hall, where we are organizing this entire art exhibition. You can see this
Beautiful arts.
beautiful exhibition from students from age of like 5 years, from people of till 50 years of age.
Oh, okay.
So this
50
is how
years
it is.
is very big age,
Yes,
no?
yes. It's
So
correct.
they are very excited to do these all things.
Yes, very much. You can look at the effort of each and every student.
Different art and
How much time and effort they have gone in with, including their studies and all. They have spent so much time in this exhibition, participating and completing this drawing. And now this exhibition is for tomorrow and day after.
Oh, okay. 2 days.
2 days.
This
Yeah.
will go. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I am Nidhi and Sucheta is here. We know each other together since 10 years and she is my friend and we work together for art and craft, and this exhibition we had done second time and it was completely amazing and good time together. And I can say that she is very intelligent, very creative, and she is very dedicated person for art and craft. and I was interested as a friend, as a videographer, and personally I really liked her creativity, which we kept here, and you can see in this exhibition multiple and completely different art is there. She exhibited here, and for looking forward for more, next time I'm thinking for more and more creativity we will come with that. I am Sucheta and I'm conducting this art exhibition from my institution side, Sucheta Art and Craft, and this is the annual art exhibition Beyond the Color. Here around 200 paintings are there on canvas, and more than 100 participants are participating, who have shown their talent and dedication, hard work on the canvas on the theme that stories bleed in silence. And I am teaching since 1997 online and offline across India and across 5 other countries. So all the students, even from outside, also outside Hyderabad also, they say they are painting here to exhibit. So I'm very proud to present it, and I'm giving the students the platform for government exams so that they can get the exposure. That's all. Since 1997 I have taught more than 12,000 students, and regardless of any age, starting from 4 years to 73 years, students I have were different professional background, like doctor, engineer, lawyer, even IT professionals also are there who are learning from me, and they all are taking the art as a therapy and for the self expression.
को आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को मैं 9 ईयर्स से जानती हूँ। मैंने अपनी बेटी, ये मेरी बेटी की पेंटिंग है, तो उसने 5 साल पहले ज्वाइन किया था, फिर बाद में मैंने 2017 से ज्वाइन किया। सो आई लर्न इट, मैंने 3 साल उससे सीखा, और फिर तब से मैं उसको जानती हूँ, और शी इज़ रियली नाइस, बहुत अच्छा नेचर है एंड डाउन टू अर्थ।
Mukherjee, and I joined Sucheta Arts and Crafts 5 years ago. Sucheta ma'am is probably the best art teacher in the world. She has given a lot of support for me to complete this drawing. So this drawing practically represents a new life which is blossoming from the lotus. She is very supportive and caring for her students. She teaches them very nicely and introduces new topics and concepts. I do this drawing. This drawing took me almost 2 weeks, but she made it possible for me. She negotiated with us every time she was free, and now finally I have completed this wonderful drawing with the help of Sucheta ma'am. Sucheta ma'am has helped me make this drawing. Sucheta ma'am is a very good teacher. I've been learning drawing for 5 years. This drawing shows how much a mother loves her child when they are young. She is best teacher in the world, so this is why it's possible for me to make this drawing. Thank you.